Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to play Will It Guinness Holiday Edition. We're going to find out if Guinness and eggnog go together. Now, people adding Guinness to other things is not new. It's been going on for tens of thousands of years now. And I know for certain I'm not the first to add eggnog to Guinness, but I'm probably the first to add Guinness to my world famous tiki nog. Now, the inspiration for this actually comes from bartender extraordinaire Matt Smith, who has been adding Guinness to just about everything that he can get his hands on. And the first thing I remember seeing him do with this is adding Guinness to an Aperol Spritz Slushie. And we'll get to that one day. And if you don't follow Matt on Instagram, you really should. He posts amazing stuff and he'll give you lots of ideas. And Matt is also, he's also done this. He's also done Guinness with his eggnog, but he also did something that I thought was interesting, and he poured the eggnog into the glass, then he stuck it in the freezer. It may have just been to chill the eggnog that he had just made, but I thought this would be a good idea to get the eggnog very cold. We're not going to freeze it, but just to get it very cold, and we'll see if we can get that separation that he gets with his eggnog and Guinness. So about 30 minutes ago, I poured some eggnog into a Guinness glass, and then I stashed that in my freezer. My freezer's like negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should get pretty cold in that time. And now we're just going to top with some Guinness, and I'm using a spoon here just to maybe help get that separation. And as I'm doing this, I'm saying we're not really getting this. Matt's must have been colder or, almost solidified into probably a delicious eggnog slushie. So I didn't get that separation, that line that Matt had in his Guinness and eggnog. I want to try to do that though. So we're going to try this now, but then I'm going to come back afterwards and let my eggnog really freeze up and then pour it. And I'll let you know in the description if there's a difference or if you should even do that. But let's try Guinness and eggnog. Cheers. It tastes like a Guinness float, like a Guinness and vanilla ice cream float that is melted. And pretty much every eggnog is essentially in like an ice cream base with the eggs. Now, obviously, there's other things in here, whether that's the spices like cinnamon and allspice and vanilla or the rum. So it's not just vanilla ice cream. So will it Guinness? Yes, it will Guinness. But is it better than, each thing separately? I think that the eggnog and Guinness separately, in my opinion, is just it tastes better. It might be nice to have some Guinness with your eggnog next to it, but you're pulling out all that richness and you're adding some of the bitterness, and then you're losing some of the texture that you normally get from Guinness and from the eggnog. So it's not quite. I don't think it's even near what the Jamaican Guinness punch was. I think this is a totally different thing, but I think as a drink, I like that Jamaican Guinness punch better than this. But this is not bad at all. This is still like pretty tasty. I'm still going to drink this. And if you're trying to lengthen out that eggnog, because don't check the calorie count on that, because if you do, you'll probably not drink it anymore. But if you want to lengthen out your eggnog a little bit, make it a little healthier, then maybe try it with some Guinness. What tastes really good in here is a little bit of like coffee and chocolate, but I guess that's kind of just Bailey's. That'd just be Bailey's and Guinness. So maybe try that. I'm sure a lot of you have already had that before. But if you're looking for something this holiday that's just out there and different, and you want to try something, then maybe try Guinness and eggnog. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to support this channel more, then check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you on the next one.